Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I have a haul video. I got a few things. Here we go. I've got Bath and Body Works and then a little miscellaneous. I recently went to Asheville to visit family, and I had allotted myself some cash, some money to do a little shopping if I saw something I wanted. And I was quite disappointed. I didn't find anything. I didn't buy anything on this trip, which is so not like me. But I didn't find anything. I didn't find anything I wanted. I was a bit disappointed. Nathan bought plenty. Brian bought stuff, but I didn't find anything. Now, I did go to my in-laws, and she did gift me some things, so I am going to share that with you. And then when I got home, there was a sale, and I did buy some things. So I do have some Bath and Body Works to show you, and some miscellaneous. So let's start with miscellaneous. My mother-in-law was going through cleaning out this cabinet she has, and she was going through some candle things she had, because she knows, she watches my videos. Hey Kathy. And she knows I'm not really buying candles, or, you know, right now. I say I'm not buying candles, but I've done candle haul. But anyway, she pulled out some things for me. She pulled out some candles that she has previously burned, and they were most of the way burned, probably. Yeah, I would say so. There was a few of those, and I'm not going to show those to you, but they will be in my empties, because one of them was a Yankee candle and was an apple scent, and I have had it on my my candle warmer. So I've been melting it on my candle warmer instead of burning it, and it smells really good. It smells good. So you will find that I will share those with you in my empties, and the ones she sent me, I am going to keep the containers. So I'll show all that later. So I'm not going to show it now. But one thing she did give me that is brand new. She had gotten this, and she didn't really want it. It was gifted to her, so she gifted it to me. And it's this Tuscany candle outlet warmer. And let me open it up. This is what it looks like. It's got the little bulb in it. Isn't that cute? Isn't that nice? So she gifted this to me. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet, but I do like that. And the person who gifted that to her also gave her some wax melts. And so this one is cranberry garland. This probably seems like it might have been a Christmas present or something. Yeah, I can smell that. I can smell that. So there we go. Cranberry garland and this really nice warmer. I might put that in my dining room. I'm not sure yet. I don't want it where animal can get to it though. You know, kitty cat or puppy dog. Not that I think they would mess with it, but with my dog, you just never know. I'm going to set this down here on my way. Now, while we were there, she told me she went to the Bath and Body Works the hand soap sale. You know, recently they had a big sale on their hand soaps when they were the cheapest. I think they have them like $2.95 or something like that. So she picked up a bunch of hand soaps, and so she gave me a couple. She gave me the white pumpkin, and this has gingered white pumpkin, caramel glaze, and warm blended spices. I want to smell this. I love that. That smells so nice. Smells kind of high end. And then that a pretty container. It's really nice. And then she said I needed this one, the Wicked Vanilla Woods. It's got the skull on it. Let's see. Find the fragrance notes. Magical vanilla, glowing amber wood, and enchanted pink pepper. So let me smell this one. Oh, this is a very unique scent. I like this. I like this a lot. Wow. That smells like Halloween to me. I like that. I like that a lot. So there we go. So I got 2 hand soaps, and then, like I said, after we got back, I get the notification. You know, I recently purchased from Bath and Body Works, so now I'm really starting to notice the notifications come through. So they had their single wicks on sale for $10 a piece. So I go into my app, and I have a rewards for a free item up to whatever dollar amount. I can't remember what it was, but the candle fell in with that dollar amount. So I ended up getting 3 1-wick candles for $20. So I thought, that's not bad. I'm gonna get them. I had allotted myself a little money to shop in Asheville, and I didn't shop. And so I messaged my husband, and I said, he said he was getting off early. And I said, well, if you get off early, would you mind swinging over to the Bath and Body Works if I put in an order? And he said he didn't mind. So I ordered these for pickup, and then I sold an ornament for twice the amount of these candles. So, but anyway, would I have bought more candles? I don't know. I got the coffee and whiskey, and let's see the notes on this, if I can find them, if I can read them. Does it have the notes? Oh yeah, here, let me get my glasses. This is so small. The notes are so small. All right, here we go. Now you can see. Bold Irish whiskey, splash of vanilla with a hint of coffee. I can smell the whiskey. I can smell a little bit of coffee. What was the other? Splash of vanilla. Yeah, I smell the vanilla. That smells really nice. That smells nice. Next, I got Autumn Drive. Isn't that a pretty candle label? Autumn Drive. Now, I didn't smell any of these before I bought them. I bought them on the app. Wild raspberry, warm amber, and vanilla birch. Ooh. Ooh, this is a very complex scent. I like this. I can smell the cranberry. Is that right? Cranberry? Raspberry. Amber. I think I'm picking up amber. I smell a little vanilla. I don't know if, maybe the birch I'm smelling. I don't know if it's the amber or the birch, but I do like, this smells really nice. Again, none of these are like a feminine, they're more unisex fragrances, I think. They're a little more complex. And then last, this one just intrigued me. I wanted to know what this smelled like, so why not get it? It's Book Loft. Now, my family loves books. We are big time readers here. Why am I straining? Glasses on top of my head. Crisp bergamot, woods, and a warm blanket. This smells like the house I grew up in. It's crazy. Oh my God, this is gonna bring tears to my eyes. This smells like the house I lived in from 1969 to 1976, to be specific. My God, it smells like the house I lived in. It smells old. That house was, the house I lived in at that age, I think was built in the late 1800s. This is one of those big old houses, you know. That's what it smells like. This is exactly what this smells like. Wow. I can't put my finger right on it, but it absolutely smells like the house I grew up in. Jeez Louise. That's gonna bring tears to my eyes, man. The emotions that pour out just smelling this. Jeez, okay. Sorry. That's different. Wow, I was not expecting that. So if you guys have that candle, that's what my childhood smelled like. Jeez, let me smell something else. Yeah, this smells good. I don't have any memories connected to this. That smells good. Okay, so there we go. That's my haul. Unexpected tears and all. So I'm very pleased with my little bit of goodies here. I guess this is my little vacation goodies, even though, you know. But yeah. So I'd like to thank Kathy. Thank you, Kathy. She always provides some Bath and Body Works for me. She's great. I have the best mom-in-law, really. So anyway, there we go. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I really would appreciate that. That helps my channel grow, and I would appreciate that a lot. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Do you have Book Loft? What do you think? Does it bring back memories like that? Or does any Bath and Body Works products kind of hit you like that out of the blue? Just wondering, or is it just me? Very sensitive person here, so maybe it's just me. Anyway, if you are new here, I would really love it if you would subscribe. So again, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.